Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's itsHadrian here. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And if you guys are returning, you guys are in for a treat because we're gonna do a unboxing today. As you probably read that in the title, but that's totally okay because I am so excited. And I feel like I've been doing a few unboxings lately, and I don't know what it is. I have just been scouring the interwebs and looking for some deals, and a few have just fallen into my phone, my lap, my phone. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this haul. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and don't forget to tune in every day at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yes, 7 a.m. now because I'm trying to do the videos earlier. And don't forget to add me on Instagram and Facebook, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my store at itsHadrian.com, where I have a lot of my thrifted treasures for sale if anyone is interested. But now, for real, without further ado, let's get into this haul. And sorry I look like such a mess. I've been like a little sick the past few days, and I'm filming in the middle of the night because I haven't been able to film all day because it was really warm and sunny today, and everyone was in the pool, and we were just like, you know how that happens. You guys know how that goes. Anyway, so the first thing I have here is this little pajeta. Oh, hold on. It has like the shipping info and stuff was on there. But here is our little package. Now this one, I purchased through an app called Depop. If you guys are not familiar with Depop, or no, this one is actually from Poshmark. The other one's from Depop. Depop and Poshmark, they're essentially both very similar in that you can buy and sell pre-loved or new items on there, and they're awesome. You just really have to do your homework though and purchasing things on there, because sometimes not everything is as they seem or appear. Things can be falsely represented, but fortunately you do have a window of opportunity to make sure that your items are authentic. I believe on Poshmark you have 3 days. You have 3 days to accept the package, and then after that you're kind of like, you just have to keep it. But within that 3-day time window, you can, if the item was falsely represented, if there was more damage than you thought there was gonna be, if it turns out to be like a false, like counterfeit item that you purchased and it was represented as being authentic, then they will definitely let you do a return. Depop is pretty much the same way, except Depop is all done through PayPal. So it's a little bit of different. Poshmark, everything is done through Poshmark, but PayPal does take a little bit longer. Anyway, I opened up the bag, and inside is this fashion file dust bag. Now I know the person that purchased this did purchase it pre-loved via fashion file, and via fashion file, a fashion file does guarantee authenticity for everything, but the fashion file dust bag, yeah. So, but this was purchased through Poshmark. Oh my goodness. Alright, so here it is. Here it is. Now this is a PS1 large. Oh my gosh, it is a beautifully worn in. I think it even has a shaper on the bottom. But check it out, this is the large size. Now, I did used to have the black in the extra large, which I would love to own an extra large again, but the lock on it was not like the strongest, and it would always like unbuckle, and it was really annoying for me. Let me just make sure that this one is like not annoying. No, it's not annoying. Yes! Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I was told that this bag was heavily loved. The leather is so soft. This is the softest I've ever felt a Proenza schooler bag. And there is a shaper on the bottom, which is nice, and it's like one of these plastic ones. So if I did want to use the shaper in here, that is actually pretty nice. For these shapers cost I don't exactly know how much they cost. You can get them pretty cheap, but like maybe $10 on like Amazon or eBay or something. But I'm just checking it out. Now Proenza, there's a couple like little indicators. You always want to look for the Proenza logo right there, and then this little tab inside here, and then underneath, this one actually doesn't have a number, but the older ones do not have any numbers on them. So there's always that as well. You have to check underneath here. Look at these little screws. These are flat heads. And then the other thing to look at is right here. This one has a little P on it. The newer ones actually say Proenza Schouler on there. So this one checks out all the hardware, has a little P on it, and it is looking really, really good. I actually love how slouchy it is. If you can see it right there, I do have the brown in the large, and I bought that one pre-loved as well, and but I got it like the bag was literally in brand new condition, and it just like stresses me out so much sometimes when bags are like too pristine, because I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm not really one to baby my bags, but I tend to baby the ones that still look like in perfect condition. I don't know what it is. So like bag like this, like I can just like go to town with this and like totally feel a-okay with it. But this one does have like a lot of signs of wear. The edge coating is all like kind of like a little hot mess-ish. But that is like such an easy fix. And things like that, like I don't really care about. I am probably gonna be keeping this bag for myself. So I probably won't even fix the edge coating. I really am not like too picky about it, especially for a black bag. It's so soft. Like literally this bag just like melts in your hand. That's how soft it is. And I actually will probably use it without the shaper. Unless I'm carrying something like really heavy inside of it, like a laptop or something. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna keep it just like this. But yeah, oh my gosh, I am so excited. Now, you guys are gonna ask me probably for the price. I got this baby for the low price of $150. Yes, you heard correctly. These bags are so pricey, and they're just like so iconic from Proenza Schouler. And if you guys have watched my videos and my bag collection videos and other hauls, I have so many Proenza Schouler bags. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's another one up there, but it's not in the shot. I have 6 bags right there, just behind me, and I actually have another one right there. 7. I have wallets. Proenza Schouler is one of my favorites. I love the school satchel look, and this one is like my most worn in one now that I now own, and I love it. I am so obsessed with this. I'm going to start using it right away, and I am really excited. So this is the first bag. It's so awesome. I love it too because it has like the black, kind of like the black hardware, and the black hardware is kind of rubbing off, but I kind of like it because it gives it like the whole thing just kind of looks more aged and worn in, and I just love that look. So I'm very excited. So there is this bag, first bag there. Okay, so that one was the one that I got from excuse me, that I got from Poshmark. Now the next item I have here came in this little box, or this little bag, or envelope. And this one I purchased on Depop. Now this one is also a small, I'm like getting kind of hot because I'm so excited. And it was literally almost 100 degrees today. It was 99 degrees. And like the heat is like staying inside the house. I don't know what it is. Excuse me. But let's open this baby up. Now this one I purchased on Depop. And I have like a little bit of a backstory, but I'm not going to really bore you with this. But when I first purchased this, I kind of thought I was like being bamboozled because the person took forever to ship out and they were not replying to my messages, and I was like a little worried. But like I don't really like to press people too much, and I was like, well, if they don't send out or reply within 7 days on Depop, you can actually like message Depop and like cancel the order and all that. So like I wasn't really worried about that. So I just was really excited about the bag. So anyway, here it is. Doo, 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 doo. Now this is the second bag that I own that's exactly the same. But it is so stinking cute. I'm already dying for it. So there, look at how gorgeous that blue looks. It's so cute. Now it does have like a little like mark like right there, like a little scratch. But the other side is in great condition. Silver hardware. And this, you can use this, like this is like the micro Fendi Peekaboo. And you can use this as a little bag charm. This like opens up like that and you can connect it to your handbag. And then, what's cool about this one is that, where is it? I'm like, where is it? I hope it's inside. Oh, it is. So it does come with a long strap. So if you wanted to use it as just like a little micro bag in and of itself, you could totally do that. And it is so stinking cute. So there it is. And as you can see behind me, I have a black one right there. That's how much I love. I'm like so into like, I love tiny bags so much. And especially when you can use them for different things. So you can just use this on its own. You can use it to like use as ornamentation, and it's just awesome. It actually has 2 little card slots right in there if you wanted to put your cards in there, and then the other side is just like open by itself. Now one side does one side of the bag just has a little snap button closure, but this other side actually has like the regular turn lock, which is really, really cool. And it's just so stinking cute, this little bag. So now I have 2. I am like completely obsessed. I have this really cool cobalt blue colored one and then the black one. My little Fendi dreams are, I don't know what it is. I've been so obsessed with Fendi recently, and my Fendi collection has grown exponentially, whereas like I never owned anything Fendi like last year. This year it's like been so intense. I don't know what it is. I just like, ever since what was the first Fendi piece that I got? I honestly don't even remember right now, but oh, it was the Fendi Peekaboo, my large Fendi Peekaboo. Ever since I got that one, I have just like fallen in love so much with these bags, and I've just like been looking for them everywhere. And this one is just so stinking cute, and this one also is authentic, which is like amazing, and I got it at an amazing price, and I am just like so excited. So this is the bag. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Oh, you know what, let's put this bag on this bag and see how cute it looks, because you know, we just have to like try it out a little bit. Man, I am so excited. You probably won't be able to tell too much because it's like navy blue on black, but still. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. But there is today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys love these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have gotten anything really cool recently that you can check off your handbag bucket list, because I have just been like checking things off left and right recently, and I'm so lucky and so fortunate to have been able to find them and at such reasonable prices, and I'm just so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions too about like purchasing anything pre-loved or anything like that. I definitely do want to make a video on like purchasing things secondhand and all that stuff. So that is definitely in the works. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for a new video. Don't forget to tune in at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for our vlog. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! And of course I had to get this Anthropologie mug. How could I not? 99 cents for this. H and yellow, kind of like a flocking motif. So cute. Check that out. So definitely had to get it. Has a little, I think it's like a dark purple H on it. So cute. I like have been growing my Anthropologie mug collection so much.